Welcome to KPS Global Trades. We do price and momentum based technical analysis. Before we move on to today's video, there is a disclaimer. This video has been made for the educational purpose only, and we want to share our views on those charts. There is no trade recommendations here. To take any trade, please consult with your financial advisor. Also, if you are not our channel subscriber or first time on our channel, we do request you to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos. Let's move on to analysis. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll be reviewing their charts and see the way forward. So let's move on to the chart. We will start it first with the Nifty. If you can see, Nifty has given a one-way rally till it went on momentum RSI around 84 levels, and then it retraced and then it keep going. Then it has given some good retracement. Now, due to good results by TCS Infosys, Nifty has given a breakout of previous resistance which was made on 1st January. If you can see at that day, the momentum oscillator RSI was at 76 levels and it has touched the low of 61. So practically it has taken a support of 60. If we see on this as a pattern, you can see there is something called a flag kind of a pattern has been formed here, whose breakout has been confirmed with this green candle. Yes, it can retest this breakout and move on further. Let's see where is the support and what are the targets. To calculate the support, this was the first support levels where Nifty has taken a support previously, right? Where we can see, and the second support level we have is at the low of flag, and then we have this gap. So as Nifty has left a gap in between on a daily charts, which is around 20,300 to 20,500, sooner or later we will be expecting Nifty to come and fill this gap before giving any big rally in this year. But as of now, for a shorter term, the trend is positive and we are looking forward for further targets. Now, of this flag pole, what is the target for Nifty? Let's calculate the target. If you can see on this pole, the closing price is 21,255, and on the highest level, the closing price is 21,741, which is around 486 points. So if we add this 486 points on the resistance 21,834, we get a target of around 22,320. So let's mark that level 22,320, which is target as per this pattern. Right, so this is one target which is coming on for that. Now let's use the Fibonacci and see this retracement which has gone. What are the targets coming on this retracement? As you can see, there is some resistance which is expected around 22,072, which is a golden ratio level. The people who know technical analysis, they can understand this is a Fibonacci golden level. But similarly, there is another level which is exactly close to our flag target, which is 22,320. And the second level is 2.618, which is 22,458. So somewhere we are expecting that in this rally, market can touch 22,320. So 22,300 to 22,500 is something where we can see market going. Till the time it does not break this support of 21,400. So we just remove this. So till the time it does not break the support of 21,400, you can see this momentum going, and keep a watch on RSI. Now RSI is back to 70 levels, around 80, 84 levels RSI. Momentum will be showing tiredness, and then there are chances of another retracement. But we are bullish on index Nifty and we can see it going towards 22,300 to 22,400. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty. On a contrary, Bank Nifty has not given a breakout yet. But does it showing bullish sign? Eventually it's sideways as of now, you can see. where you can see the high made by Bank Nifty on 28th December, 48,636, whereas Nifty had made a high on 1st January also, right? And on the lower side, we have the lowest level which was made on 13th December, which is 46,886. So since then, 13th December till now, Bank Nifty is sideways between this, almost roughly around 1800 points. So what happens if this broke out on above or on the lower side? Or if it break out on the lower side, you can see there was a previous resistance, so that will become support now. So there is another support around 46,310, and there is gap also here, right? So 46,300 to 46,500 become another strong support levels. And if any unforeseen this support is broken, then there is another gap, like in Nifty there is another gap which is around 44,900 to 45,500. But this gap is not expected to fill sooner. This will fill when Nifty will fall with it. Bank Nifty alone will not able to fall this much without Nifty being falling. So as of now, because Nifty is trending due to IT stocks, we can expect somewhere Bank Nifty to give a breakout on this. So keep a watch on banking stocks as well. Once we get this breakout, they can give a good rally as well. So let's see where we gonna head if Bank Nifty gives a breakout. So if, let's put a level to this. So if Bank Nifty give a breakout, we can see the next resistance or a golden level is around 49,641, right? So this is the level where Bank Nifty can go once it's give a breakout of around 48,600. So practically another 1,000 points after breakout, and right now it's around 47,700, right? So there is another 900 points from here. So if Nifty takes Bank Nifty with that, so we are talking about a 1900 point rally over here. If 1900 point rally comes on Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty banking stocks we gonna join the party, and then Nifty target is surely gonna hit. But if in any unfortunate, if this keeps in sideways, we can see that Nifty IT is booming and other sectors are dragging Nifty up. So there are high chances that Bank Nifty can remain in this sideways during the month of January and give breakout after budget on either side. But Nifty can be trending due to support of other sectors of that. So that can be possible. So keep a watch on Nifty, Bank Nifty both, as they will decide the way forward for the markets and for the stocks. Cash stocks are still momentum is there, mid cap, small cap still momentum is there. We are soon coming up with a video on some good quality stocks, which we like that. We had made some videos on good quality stocks before also, which has given a good return. Also, there is a link of our Telegram channel below this video. You can join our Telegram channel. You can see we daily share intraday view on Nifty, Bank Nifty, right? And then we share our performance on the stocks which we have shared in the past and how they have moved, how they have performed. Options trades, index options, Nifty and Bank Nifty, whether put or call, what should be the forward for today, that is also being shared. So there is a lot of material we shared on a regular basis, on a daily basis, right, for a learning purpose, where you can see and learn and take it way forward, right? There are so many stock ideas which we keep sharing in these are the stocks which we have shared for the year of 2023, which you can see we have not shared much, but around 24 stocks has been shared, which has delivered approximately around 45% return. So please do join our Telegram channel and follow us on our other social medias to get regular and consecutive updates. So we keep updating on our Telegram channel throughout the day, right? So again, thank you very much for watching this video, right? If you are first time on our channel or you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos. Thank you very much. That's all for the day. Thank you.